Hello, girls. I hope you're all cozy and feeling great because winter is just around the corner. And guess what? I've got something super exciting for you, the ultimate winter glow guide. We all know how harsh winter can be on our skin and even our style, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered in this video, from hair care, skincare, body care, and nail care to finding the perfect winter fragrances. I've packed it all in. Whether you're battling dry skin or just want to refresh your look while staying warm, I'm sharing self-care rituals and fashion tips to keep you feeling cozy and looking fabulous all season long. Let's dive in. Hair care winter can be really tough on our hair. The cold literally sucks the life out of it, leaving it dry, frizzy, and full of static. But don't worry, the first step is hydration. If you're not deep conditioning your hair at least once a week, what are you even doing? Get yourself a moisturizing hair mask with ingredients like argan oil or coconut oil. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Oh, and don't forget your scalp. I know how annoying a dry, itchy scalp can be. Treat it with a nourishing scalp oil like tea tree or coconut oil. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it off, and you'll feel amazing. And yes, I know we all love our heat tools, but let's give them a little break this winter. The cold makes hair more fragile, so why not try heatless hairstyles like braids or overnight curls? They're super cute and keep your hair healthy, but if you must use heat, don't forget to use a heat protectant. Skincare winter skincare is a whole different game. Your skin needs extra love to stay hydrated and glowing. If your face feels tight after washing, it's time to switch things up. Swap your lightweight summer moisturizer for something richer that will shield your skin from the cold, dry air. Look for products with ceramides or hyaluronic acid. They lock in moisture like magic. And girl, if you're not using SPF in winter, let me tell you, you still need it. Don't skip sunscreen just because it's cold. UV rays can still damage your skin, especially on bright, snowy days. Apply SPF daily, no excuses. Exfoliation is also key. A gentle exfoliator once or twice a week will help get rid of dead, dry skin, leaving your face fresh and radiant. Body care. Skincare doesn't stop at your face. Your body needs love too. One of my favorite winter body care tricks is applying body oil right after a shower while your skin is still damp. It locks in moisture and leaves your skin feeling super soft. For that cozy winter vibe, I love body butters or anything with a comforting vanilla scent. Use a body scrub to remove dead skin, then follow up with a thick body cream or oil. Don't forget to focus on areas like elbows, knees, and hands. They tend to dry out faster, and please keep a hand cream and lip balm nearby. Your hands and lips need extra care in winter. Cracked lips and dry hands are not the vibe. Winter fragrances. Winter is the perfect time to find your signature scent. Opt for warm, comforting fragrances, like vanilla or anything that makes you feel like a queen. A good perfume can totally boost your mood and confidence. Nail care. Let's not forget our nails this winter. If the cold makes them brittle, grab a nail strengthener and keep some cuticle oil handy. Why not try winter-inspired nail designs? Think frosty blues, soft whites, or even tiny snowflakes. Even if your nails are hidden under gloves, they can still join the winter party. Fashion tips. Now let's talk winter fashion. It's all about layering, looking cute, and staying warm. Think chic coats, chunky sweaters, and cozy scarves. Boots? Always a yes. Whether ankle boots or knee highs, they instantly elevate any outfit. Layer a fitted turtleneck with chunky knits or oversized cardigans for a stylish yet warm look. And don't underestimate the power of a statement coat. A faux fur jacket for that cozy vibe, or a sleek wool coat for a polished look. Choose whatever makes you feel fabulous. Self-care tips. Winter is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Stay hydrated, even if you don't feel as thirsty. Your skin and hair will thank you. And let's not forget warm drinks. Herbal teas or green tea are perfect for keeping you cozy while benefiting your skin and overall health. Take time for yourself, light a candle, play your favorite songs, journal, or binge watch a Netflix series without guilt. It's the little things that make a big difference, especially when it's dark by 4 p.m. So, girls, I hope these tips help you feel your best this winter. Remember, glowing isn't just about how you look. It's about taking care of yourself and feeling beautiful from the inside out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more glow up and self-care content. Stay cozy, and I'll see you in the next video.